All right, Bafethu. Kubhlungu Bafana Bafana iphumile. That's where it ends for Bafana Bafana. They made it as far as the last 32. Honestly speaking, but honestly speaking, Bafana Bafana have themselves to blame. Late game Lena was theirs for the taking. Mare Bafana Bafana aba capitalizanga. They didn't create enough chances. They were relaxed. They bahleli. But asingene kuye straight ngoba usifiso usathatha itiye lapha ethi ngiqale ngawe Nkuli. What did you make of this game?
Bafana bebadlala ngathi abafuna ukudlala labantu laba yabo angazi noma bebadlalela ama penalty or bebadlalela i-draw or bebacabanga ukuthi bazothola one opportunity. Also na police I was impressed second half I think for 10-15 minutes ngibonile ukuthi uye kuphela bekazama lapha na phambili uzamile uHugo umjita akathanda ukureplace lo muntu lo ube nama changes ekugcineni but ngicabanga ukuthi ucoach uyakhohle ukuthi isikhathi siyaphela 70 something angithi but ama play mina into engihlezi ngisho ukuthi ama play amele akhohlwe ucoach akhohlwe abanye abantu udlalela wena no urepresenta wena country yakho umndeni wakho abantu abaclose nawe mawucabanga ukuthi wena wenzela maybe abangani bakho labaphuza nabe ematavern and then akumelanga udlale ku World Cup yabo if ufuna ukuchaza umdu mfethu this is bigger than just ukuchaza abangani bakho yabo i-career yakho as a whole but ke badlale yabona namhlanje basiprovile abo evidence makho ukuthi baya deserve ukudlala ku third division.
Sifiso ngifuna singene kakhulu kwi coaching ne
Yeah.
uHugo Bruce une technical team meaning una ma analyst they played against the South Korea. He had a good lineup. We change it namhlanje.
Angazi mfethu obvious because of the results that we got. I think nakhona ukuthi yeah I've said it. Debza is a good player but why fix it if it's not broken? Because you can see the structure in the middle. You understand? Because unto ugcina fika uyadlala no Debza but yabo for me now I know maybe really did not play the way maybe coach begafuna but bekangathola ama ball. But whenever really is on the ball you can see. Second half the goalkeeper bega relaxile nyana. I'm happy because of
Goalkeeper we Canada.
Yeah, we Canada. But I'm happy ukuthi lento it goes back to lento uNkula Ishilo. We've been saying ukuthi our police didn't come to the party past 2 games, but today tried. Because we bega namashoti. Yeah, ngiyamthanda ngwana sisi mara. Akashayanga man namhlanje yabo. So namanje ufaka ama substitution came a bit late. You understand Murem Renasi yabo. So were we playing to go to the penalties and hope? Yes, but it backfired because Canada ikore last minute baya set washaya enye into le umuntu goal manje sesi said usho khona ukuthi
Skipper says useless man.
no sis angithi nala esomsebenzi
Asona si
Inform.
Omni Audio Africa, thank you for the t-shirt. Bafana is done so obvious. I can't come back with the t-shirt, so I'm taking the t-shirt.
Ayike ngisingayisho. Lerato outside wa America bankulu. Akufani.
so tina shayeza ama champions
Eza 1996. Lerato ke batlotla ko wena ne. Hugo Bruce unsitse Mfokeng. He doesn't replace him with a creative player. Maka keep Mfokeng, u keep creativity. Awufaki enye creativity. Mom keeper you go the classic 4-4-2. Way. Kahle bafana bese ithukile. Hugo Bruce bese kayisaba le country. We no ring.
Obvious uthola fela go re defend. Lena ke putsa ga tontsha Mfokeng then creativity re tlo thola ka because ke na mthe re dependile mo yana ke obvious is number 10. But that's am doing to e gutla go. First of all, is selection ngizonibusele move. Unkile 11 defenders. Awafula the attacker ke ga complain ka ntwe. Sala ni Mexico wa ba kanjani a defend. Ne? Second match re tletse ge mo ne re le better nyana because starting le la push change because bona go ne re complain. Sa dlala futhi le game esiphumo esi winile. But na ke so ke re man. Re qetetse re le mo today. For me, I think ke di players le reng la ma player la wa selectile for me ukuthi usamsele nama defender amaningi afula ama attack uyabona so iyashaya futhi mina sibhekeni iyashaya
ama-options.
yes
Ile
you
nto
understand
esikhuluma ngayo,
iyashaya
ukuthi
futhi nayo
ama-options.
lento leyo wena sifisa kumele sibhekele amehlo when it comes to players for now I'm disappointed I don't know naye I can say performance ke tlo re e bad than ele Mexico kapa le Mexico was better than today like I don't know what to say you understand for me ke feel gore mina for mina ngifuna ukuthi wonke ama players as disappointed nka se re apolisi nka se re maka ka fela bona for nna but now ke tlo singla play one mbokazi for nna o two stay even though re consider ka last minute ke yena mthulu re for game nka mfa yona otherwise bonke for mina
awutseba bolo sana
so ngicela sibuye ekhaya sizothatha amandla siconcentrate ku PSL
ngithemba lama broadcaster la nokubheka lezi zinto lezi bafethu unozibonela nanga umuntu wazi ibholo ulibeka kahle kamnandi anga replace abantu abaningi abo Dlamini lapha but moving forward ne mina sifisa the biggest issue enginayo la Hugo Broos is a coward igwala lo coach lo and the reason ngisho so ukhiphe urilo ngoba igwala that's why I'm keeping it because ubone ukuthi anyama and then he was hoping for extra time and it's 10 during the game sithe kuye uya defender le team angakora it's over le team yakora nge at the time you understand number 1 the reason ngithi Hugo Broos uyikwala Hugo Broos like bekazo loser ini ngokuthatha uTito nalomfana lo Lodge now you have 3 creative players you have Mfukeng you have uTito you have Lodge and uTito uyamazi uTito phela arrogant udla uTito ukhala nomtshelo kwakhe emagemini aso uTito beka badribula labantu lapha uTito bekazoligibela ukuthi you understand and it's a pity ukuthi nitheni namaneki disk azange saba nama wing afana nani ama wing akwazi ukuthatha umuntu bamdribula bamqede le ntwana zamanje lezi azina skill lezi abo Muremi namga ibhola manje wanonathatha umuntu uyahluleka and it's something ohlezi ukhuluma ngayo ukuthi we need an icebreaker sidinga umuntu one skill ozothatha ama angithi abo Neymar abadlala kanjalo abo Vinicius Junior abadlala kanjalo akere abo ubani nomfana lo we hat-trick ubani uDembele badlala kanjalo ngeskill ukuthi anyampensela lo nyamthatha ngiyamdlula so the last time sibe nama winger bebatayisha bekuyini nabo aboteko namhlanje asinabo ama player njalo
it goes back to lento besikhuluma ngayo ukuthi uNkulu yathi bathi ni celebrate u Rila Shaival ivala wamelishayo umlungu ajike calm down so I believe ukuthi amachita they didn't go there because of it's like babaya da they didn't want to enjoy themselves you understand because manje yes Masego we got there last 32 because of you scored a goal but play as a team because manje sekufanele kubonakale mina yimi ngine plan because we didn't play like a team okay we were watching the game to everyone we didn't even make 10 touches in their own half I can tell you manje basingabheka ama stats Ronwen Mbokazi have more touches than abantu abadlala phambili so what does that tell you that we are playing in our own half just go if sidliwa kunguthi ngathini like we played to our ability kuyabona abawudli ukuthi I know we take that loose makale ngeke sithathe
leyo nayo
you understand yes yabona le hayi ukuthi it's because of his last 32 he had to ukudlula eMexico because we believed
nini namtu wapha after game ene receive last niknani thulo okay confident iteng from winner game ele then a rekla ka sheku Spanish rasqetel instead of kufika nkari ne riqala fathi start from phansi ukuthi ala siqalela phansi manje that's why kitcho ngeke game ele Mexico ngathi bo ke yone bet kapo I don't know do like nje yes
Nkuli while usamamela la Ronwen Williams ne I want to bring you in kule cause ngiyazi wena direct ukhuluma without fear or favor
the face of South African football
le World Cup le mfiva ngoOpri Modiba le it exposed uOpri Modiba le World Cup le ukuthi umjita kahle kahle when it comes to mark akekho mnandi kahle kahle Sifiso iattacker la mjita le usibonisile ngale World Cup ukuthi akasi defender today beba overload iside lakhe beba slanda ngeside lakhe namhlanje nalela goal bebalanda iside lakhe so I just want to say something ne abolindo Pep nabo Tlalifang nabo George laba
qadile
laba bakhuluma ibhola laba mata mina ngazi isidudla silaze lapha ibhola lamajita lawo bake bakhuluma la ne bathi the Betway Premiership is not helping Mamelodi Sundowns because ama players Sundowns are not tested league baya dominate they are only tested mabayidlala eAfrica when it comes to the league it's a holiday Opri Modiba league wenza kuphela ukhulisa umuntu awulikini wenza kuphela. Now we go to the global stage. Sesiyabona ukuthi esani kahle lo muntu lona has never tested in the league. Angazona uthi.
So ababuyele emuva abantu babukela ama clip wami ngoba ngumuntu obaluleke kakhulu yabo amaqiniso
Yeah, amen.
ngathi mina uCross
One man press.
yeah uCross ngasho ukuthi ayikho mnandi that much but uCross uyahlala ku position yakhe aka move isikhathi esiningi yabo ku left back besuba more stable ngoCross ozitatazelayo yabo uyatatazela and sikhumbula ukuthi uCross uke wadlala eGermany uCross uke wadlala eEngland so uya understand kancane ukudlala lamajita lawo ukhulisa umuntu awujwayela ukudlala neOrbit College namaZulu la zenzela khona uyakhohlwa nokumaka angithi abokhuliso yeah ujwayele umudiba naye umudiba usifeleke ukumaka ngishilo ngathi umudiba there's no way kwamagame amaningi bayas attack ne mabas attack amagame amaningi umudiba ucomfortable makaphethe ibhola attack ayaphambili that's it ukumaka akakwazi lo mjida lona akazi umudiba ngenzela iclip bafethu ningitheke kunkuli soccer ne ashayithekile ne ayikho so ayikho lonto ayikho so mfethu bayas attack uyabona inzima le game le I left back si expose bangena ngathi bangena kulelo side lelo why ungamreplace ufaka abo cross umuntu ozohlala lapha na shade ne position yakhe akaye phambili and then uswena police abazo driver baye phambili so disappointing performance from abadlali belona South Africa adlalanga njengama professionals bafethu but ke and it trickles down to league yethu nebhola lethu ukuthi kahle sikuphi ku level ethi ikuphi yabo because amanye ama game unokushayisana nawe find ikhona phela ngithi ikhona find
that's why ungizwa ngithi kusifiso the last time sinama winger direct akwazi ukuthatha iplayer adlule
kibona sona
as much as besithanda abantu bebathanda kumhleka bamjaja benzeni uhlose ukholela bekazigijimisa shiyeli bekathatha ibhola libekele yadasanga you understand Lerato haricheba game ene the way Aubrey Mudiba nale kakading ozona police phela ne left back today ozona police to do double the job bekumela track back azomaka aphinda ede ku attack
ntu hayiqalile mo Lumamli Sundowns is playing the very same thing if ushebela didn't Lumamli Sundowns is doing the very same thing oyibonama ko fela Sundowns nkinthola uklaba bana lo thola team yena tsetse karing dishwetse wabona nto oyibonama
Melford
Obit yeah nto oyibona ka Aubrey same thing labantu beSundowns bangasho lapha ema commenting bazokutshela Aubrey nakufile gore u defender sintwa gae afu akasintwa gae at all ke go kela ntonkulu wa o sa kenye cross master di basic mfethu yes u master ma basic akenzi too much ka manje abomdiba babatla go yontsha yimi akepe ale ba le go ka mga go se mbobo so tla me afa batho ba ba double job but asimdiba fela even mutawo le yona World Cup ke fona lena ke feel hore o ntsa tshwana le mdiba remember giving ipi game ka specific ba overload the site la ga mtawo
ile cheche
thank you today the same thing so we understand ka ba mutitselena ba kenya matuluti maybe na tlatla ka something else there's nothing wrong go ntse player mtu la we rata akere tso diacho love is blind yeah wayibo
abanye bebakhaphile but ke nalento yako super sport ote commodities bangakhuluma ngathona into abayenze engcona ngithi bafethu bakhulume bakwazi ukuprotect amanye ama players serious angeke aswa attack nama play ku attack but sometimes yabona mangilalela abanye amajidi ngathi perfect abanye abantu
uteko ka World Cup 2010
Uteko bekayinja ngiyavuma ke but World Cup yamhluli World Cup so aswa attack nama player but singawa attacking ngathi manje thi laba bathola ichance ukuthi badlale benza kangcono
I think happen to disappointing gore abomdiba nabomdamu abadlala ku Sundowns basipha lento leyana man wayibona mntu so re na le di expectations tsa
umelana le bona bo George gore Betway Premiership is not doing Mamelodi Sundowns justice abana competition
so and
the only team ebengathi zimisela ukuba challenge this season the Pirates and into bebenta ngebethe Premiership it's funny ne every other team bona neba focus itse ko Pirates not Sundowns
so more the expectations akuna di high go position ke le ga tseba go mtauli mdiba ba itshwere abantu disappointment
athi sivale bafethu bathi boba comrade sifiso in closing la hamba le Khetla simreplace ngobani
iKhetla there's a lot of people abafuna ispan
because bathu submit
nayo fakile
man umadala
itso msimana
nomadala naye ngathi
umadala nka uway
nayo apply futhi
reapply
sisay uya akahambi he applied again akahambi Hugo Bruce
they said we can give him a chance
74 years
akahambi uyazwa ngekahambi uthathi bafana bafaka ku knockout masimkhohlile ngeadvice yethu
but ke khutlela mo motho ba lela press
ya
conference
bayahlupheka le Belgium
mtufo nana saba munka gapi o re shwele mtu
wena Sifiso wena ingesingawe wena bofuna bani
mina obvious Mdala Pitso Msimane
eish
and they must just give him
Hugo Bruce with the team lena I better than ibafana bafana uthi powerful
sakayamba ngithi angisakayamba umoshile
yes
buya phela
sakayamba ngithi umoshile
uthi refi woza phela
sakayamba umoshile akambe
mina bafethu na I have bad news for you South Africans uHugo Bruce akahambi ngitshela 99 yabona if but now ufaka iCV
weekend uyaplay le gapi 50% ball
12 attempts
ilento lesihlezi sikhuluma ngayo
ona one on target
ilento sihlezi sikhala ngayo i-ball position ayikwineli game
yes one on target
position doesn't win the game
mara re shilo mtu ga re kopa ba isave for embarrassment ba khutlela
bafethu mina in closing all I want to say ukuthi Amachita didn't fail us la. It's the coach that failed us. And it's the coach that set the boys up for failure. And the reason ngisho so ne my comrade. Yini konje lelinye igama I comrade bese yini? Keida. Makeda. Nani ma fighter. Nani ma mkhonto wesizwe. Ngibiza konke man. The biggest problem that we have in South Africa is that we don't believe in ourselves. We always want a European to be involved in bowling lethu. See, so from it development to say nyatsa mara benimna amachita mfethu antsoembu umfukeng ubonile bekayenzana labantu labaya bekababonisa laba be South Korea ukuthi phela umfukeng is developed South Africa akaze adlala overseas. He's a product of South Africa. Ozuna police product of South Africa. Now utebza lo nimthembayo product ya South Africa. Talent embatha South African product.
Maka nontanga lo yawe ianalyst.
Lama analyst wakhe Hugo Bruce amlethe down.
No
liyamjitenda
inkinga yabantanga
Mshibano la anonymous.
Beka trend angithi. Some of you are talking. We are here doing the work.
You are sitting at home there.
It was trendy.
I want to take
akabe ready.
Yo,
space kwakho. Bafoza. Iba ready bafoza space kwakho.
Akiri was working for Skukune Kaizer Chiefs bamtibeka. Mara seki bona go kwa bamtibeka.
That's why
yes, ka baka la khai.
Phela Skukune ngeke iziwini league.
Naba mirihile bamtibeka.
Uchipa United.
Nakuchipa.
Bona ngokuthi nje.
Wathathi analyst uchipa.
But in closing,
kwa
njengoba usho ukuthi Hugo
Madala.
but we were supposed to this game was for us in fact.
It was for us, yeah, it was ours for the taking.
In fact. We can say we are proud because of obviously Saqala ukuba le. Yeah.
Bafethu sengiyayivala ngiyabona bolrato sebakhuluma ngama request ngicela sibe professional sisemsebenzini
Mara wa gathatha
abantu sebabheka amabhonje senazi expose kudala imoto
makabashilo bathi asenet idliwa bafana abantu beBolt bazothila nabo nakunkulu ufuna iBolt ithi 800
iBolt sethembisa ithi 700 iBolt akithi 700 from la to thembisa ithi 700 iBolt
Yongeke bafethu. I want them not
Bafethu,
I just have to run.
Another issue. Professionalism, please.
Sorry.
Can we come back?
Yes.
That's why ningasebenzeli abo SABC nana.
Arabathi.
Okay guys, one thing you need to know is that bafethu sinilethele wonke lama game bafana kunala sivuke ngo3 we were loyal bafethu
Yo.
siba supportile labantu laba akunamuntu ongabe yathi thina
Nikoko,
sisupport
Just donate ke.
how
Asicela ama donation.
and I think
Yeah,
in everything that happened bafethu nisibonele ukuthi I'm better than Thomas Mlambo. I am better than Andy
Ubani Thomas
Lengube.
Mlambo.
I'm better than Andy Lengube.
Ubani Andy?
I am better than Carol Manana. I am better than every broadcaster you know.
I've never heard of them.
Here's why. Because I am the best analyst in the country. Ngitshentshe igama namhlanje. Yimi umuntu Pep. The only Pep that matters. The only Pep that matters in South Africa. Akekho omunye uPep enimaziyo eSouth Africa. Manihlangana nabo Pep abazibinza ngo.
Pep abo Pep.
Yabona in life ne. Mamela ulinde okuhle kulinde.
Yeah. Must wait.
Ungathathi ngegama
You must wait.
Ungathathi
Yabona mekuthiwa lindo kuhle linda. Yabona life
Ngithuba bethu.
makuthiwa dlalifanga bathi hlakaniphani. Utlatlamba in life. Yabona mina uyamazi umuntu omnyama ukhuluma ngebhola kuthiwa uGeorge yini yona lento le. George. Umuntu omnyama.
uGeorge of the jungle.
Hayi nami ngicabanga kanjalo. George of the jungle. Angaze George.
George.
Angaze George.
Na but bafana is disappointed bafethu inhliziyo zethu zibhlungu. But niya deserve bafethu ukubukela iWorld Cup eSoweto yabo. Niya deserve after the performance le. Shanibukele eSoweto yabubuyani.
Bafethu sicela ningathatha izinto personally
Siyadlalela.
Mina bolindo bobani isadlala. Ningathi mase sihlangana estradini sekumele sibambane ngamawashini and sonshaya thina futhi but bisazidlalela nothing is personal. Thank you Cyril, this breakfast is ready for you to eat. Bafethu, I am Dusbego. I am better than Thomas. I am better than Andile. I am better than Carol. I am better than every broadcaster you know in South Africa. That's why. Because I know my football. I don't just talk football for the fun of it. Mina ngihlala ne legend leqiniso. Angihlali mina nama legend ababatshela ukuthi bathini. Mina ngihlala ne legend leqiniso. Or kanjani sisi mina ngihlali nama legend ababatshela ukuthi hayi nasi script khuluma kanjani. Mina ngihlala ne legend leqiniso. And throughout this World Cup, the biggest thing that we learned from Sfiso is that the weakest team is Maxa say 0-0. Bayabuya. They become motivated. Yeah. Bafana were the favorites. But because Begloko win 0-0, it cannot believe what it's possible. And it happened. So, Umnandi.
Ngifuna le closing yakho.
Yeah, closing le house but
yeah umnandi ngiyayivala
ayifela ayinofela kam
angenyamazi phela
face yeah awushikisho okay
yazi face
hey toba
mathatha face
siqala platform masivalela sakwazi
bafethu siyabonga usijoina ku World Cup kulama watch along sibukela bafana yabo isirepresentile ku global stage babukela abantu amabhillion siyazi ukuthi uThemba Zwane nabo sithole baya trend bafethu unfortunately ba trenda ngezinto ezi wrong zokuthi abalazi ibhola but ukuya ku World Cup nokusirepresent abafethu sibonile ndlala igame eyodwa kuphela ndlala right against South Korea out of ama game i4. What a disaster. Come back home. But thank you for going to Mexico and the United States of America. Umdu uqinisile methi is better than amanye amalo cause ke bona bakhuluma ngescript la sisikhulumela de wenikhuluma ngakhona nabangani bene ekhoneni. If ayithandi le content lena bafethu hambani yobukela opapa wala benzovumelana nabo.
Bafethu any words last words come home India is not in the World Cup bafethu Mababu nikhumbule India qualifying for a World Cup but ke bafethu thank you so much for joining us throughout the whole campaign yabafana niyazi mosiniphethe bafethu iPSL yes so basenza ama game ePirates so basenza ama game eSundowns eChiefs you are still going to see more of Sfiso and lapho uzoza noThuso Phala you are still going to see more of Lerato. She knows football better than Mama Joy. You are still going to see the second face of YouTube in South Africa.
Numbers don't lie. Numbers don't lie. I am bigger. Like Buffett, I am bigger than this platform.
Yeah.
Boss.
I am not on my knees. I don't have a PhD.
Otherwise, bafethu siyabonga bafethu ukuthi nisibhekelele asiyayivala manje. Thank you Cyril, this breakfast is ready for you to eat habashu.